Today, we'll explain how to use LiDAR 360 MLS software for batch processing across multiple projects. Step 1. New project. First, we need to create a mobile project. Click the button New Mobile Project on the Start page. To perform batch processing, you need to create a separate star.liscan project for each dataset within the same mobile project. The specific operation involves dragging and dropping each dataset star.live file directly into the top left corner of the interface. The newly created star.liscan project will automatically appear in the directory tree on the left side of the software. Step 2. Parameter settings. Once the new project is created, the settings window will automatically pop up on the right side of the processing module interface. Here, you can set parameters for the respective processing steps. We will first set the parameters for the first project. It is worth noting that if the option to enable analyzing panorama is selected, panoramic image analyzing will be performed simultaneously when processing the point cloud, achieving true batch processing. After configuring the settings, click the OK button. For batch processing, you can click the Apply to All button, and the software will apply the same general parameters to all projects listed in the directory tree. Then, we can set and view the relevant parameters of the corresponding project by switching to activate different *liscan projects. After configuring the settings, click the OK button. Step 3. Batch data processing. Select all the projects you want to process, then choose the desired processing steps. Click the Start button to begin batch processing. It is worth noting that there are two modes in the software for batch processing of strip adjust. Select single mode if the strip adjust is to be performed individually within each *liscan project. If strip adjust operations between *liscan projects are also needed, select multi-mode. Project batch processing completed.